Oh man, that was a good workout. That was a good workout. I tell you what. All right, we got to get ready. We got to get a shower because it's time for our date. We do not want to be late. 1:06 p.m. Oh, our date is in less than a half an hour. Oh man, I stink. Oh, what are we gonna? Oh, that's right. We got ManScaped. We can. Oh no, no worries. No worries. This deodorant, it's gonna make us smell like we just walked out of a fresh shower. Oh yeah. Oh man, I tell you what. There we go. Mask it up a little bit. Nice thing is, it's transparent. It doesn't leave that white film. You know, you guys know what I'm talking about. It smells amazing. We are good to go.